Video I'll be unboxing the K9 wireless microphone. So I'll unbox, I'll tell you the amount I bought it, and I will tell you how to use it, because I know that some people have been complaining that their mic is not working. So just do well to watch this video to the end so that you will know how to make it work on your phone. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. This is the mic. I don't know if you can see it clearly. This is the mic, and it is a double mic. I prefer this double one because you can use it when you have a guest. Maybe you want to host somebody on your YouTube channel, so two of you can share the mic, like just one like that, you understand. But if maybe your budget is somehow low, you don't have much money, you can go for the single one, but I will advise you to go for the double one. So let's unbox it and check what is inside. So I've already unboxed this actually before because I had to charge it, and I even did some video with it. This is how it looks inside. It's a double mic, as you can see. So this is the first mic. This is the first mic. This is the second mic. This is the receiver. So this receiver came with type C. You can see it. This is type C charger. So it came with type C. And then if you look at inside, we have two ports here. We have the one for iPhone, in case we are using iPhone. This is it. And then we have the one for V8. They call this one V8. It is this normal, very common charger for Android phone. Can you see it? So this is it. So this mic is very good because it came with so this mic is very good because it came with 3 ports, you understand. So my phone uses type C, so I'll just plug this one directly to my phone. So if you are using iPhone, all you need to do is to take the one for iPhone, this is it, and then you plug it to this one of type C. Just plug it inside, and then you plug it to your iPhone. Then if your phone is a normal Android, so you just take the one for Android, and then you plug to the type C like this, and you plug to your phone. Please, when you are buying this mic, make sure you tell them the port your phone is using, because some of all these wireless mic, they come with just 2 ports. So you will know that you are getting the right one for your phone. Do you understand? So make sure you tell them the one your phone is using. So let's finish unboxing it. So there's something inside. Let's check what is inside. So this is a cord. So it came with a cord. So this cord is for charging the microphone. So if you want to charge your microphone, all you need to do is you plug it to your mic, and you plug this one to your charger, like the head of charger, and then you charge. So when it's charging, you start seeing red light here. So once it finishes charging, the red light will stop showing. You won't be seeing any lights there again, so you know that it's full. So that is that for that. And it also came with a manual. There's a manual inside, so you can do well to go through the manual so that you will know how to use it very well. So according to the people that produce this mic, they said plug and play. So you plug it to your phone, and then you start doing your video. 20 meters of accessible reception. So even I'm very close to my phone now, so they said if I'm using the mic, even if I'm 20 meters away, the mic will still be working. And they said widely compatible, highly sensitive, like that, and it also reduce background noise. And that is the number one reason why I bought this mic. I hope you can hear some sounds right now. So by the time I start using this mic, it will reduce the background noise. So let me just plug it right away and then show you how you can use the mic on your phone. So guys, the first thing we are going to do right away is I am going to take this receiver. So this is the receiver. I'm going to take this and I'll plug it directly to my phone because my phone is type C. I'll just plug it directly. So I will do that. So immediately you plug it, it will start showing green light. So all you need to do is to power your microphone, and the light on your microphone will be showing green lights too, so you know that your mic is ready to be used. You understand? So make sure the green light is stable. So guys, did you see the light? So this is the green light, it will be stable. Now this mic is already working. It's already working. Most people will buy this mic and they say it's not working for their phone. I have seen people saying it before. This mic does not work on my phone. It's not a good mic. It's a good mic. It's something I will recommend for you in case you are looking for a mic to buy. Buy the K9 wireless microphone. You will like it. It also has a clip. You can clip it to your clothes. If you don't want to hold it, you can clip it. Clip it and you talk. It's very okay. You understand? But for this video, I want to hold it. So guys, some people say this mic is not working on their phone, and I'll be giving you 4 things you need to try for this mic to work on your phone. If you try this 4, one should work. At least one will work. Now for this my phone, Redmi phone, the mic worked like just the way they wrote it, they plug and play. That is what is happening now. It's working. You understand? So I did not have to do any other thing to make it work. So that is the first thing. For iPhone, you just for you to plug it and it will start playing. That is just the first one. So after you buy this mic and you plug it on your phone, it's not working, don't worry, it will work. So the second thing you should try is this. Go to your settings of your phone. I don't know, maybe I'll put it at one side of the screen, I don't know, but just follow the tutorial I'm about to give you now. Just follow the explanation. So you go to settings on your phone. When you get to settings on your phone, you click on app. Just scroll down, you see app, click on it, and then you click on the 3 dots at the right hand side of your phone, click on it, and then click on permission manager, click on it. So after you click on permission manager, you search for camera or you search for microphone. Okay, you search for microphone and then click on microphone, and then you will see the app that allowed microphone to work while using. So check if camera is part of it. If camera is not part of it, please go and enable the camera, enable it, and your mic will start working. Now after you try this method and your mic is still not working, don't worry. So there is something you need to try again, which is the OTG. Some phones have OTG. They even wrote it on the manual. If you go through this manual, you will see it. They wrote it somewhere. They said, so they said, note that Oppo, Vivo mobile phones can be used normally only when they go to the settings, search OTG, turn on OTG power supply. So if you have OTG on your phone, go and turn it on. You understand? Turn it on so that the mic can start working. Do you understand? So some phones does not have OTG, but if your phone has it, go and on it, this mic will start working. So if after you have tried these 3 methods your mic is still not working, this last one that I'm about to give you, this last one, your mic will work. Like I promise you, your mic will work. So all you need to do is this: go to Play Store and download the Open Camera. There are different type of camera. I think there is one they call HD. There is one they also call Open Camera, but that is the one I was using on this my Samsung phone, because I tried that 3 method, it did not work. So it was Open Camera that worked for me. So just go to Play Store and download Open Camera. So after you download the Open Camera, you click on settings, and when you get to settings, click on video settings. And when you get to video setting, you see, I think audio settings is there, video setting is there. Click on video settings, and from there you just scroll down a bit and you click on audio source. So when you click on audio source, you see different options there. I think the first one that started it is that camcorder. I don't know if I'm getting it right. So the second one there is external mic if present. So you click on external mic if present. That is to say you have activated it. You can be using external mic, you understand, for your video. So that is the step you need to take. That is the last step, and after this, trust me, your mic will start working. No more my mic is not working, it will start working. So try any of this method I gave to you, one of them will surely work. So by the time you've done that, anytime you want to film your video, you'll be using open camera. That is to say that if open camera works for your phone, that is what you'll be using anytime you want to film your video. So guys, that is it. Don't forget, I said I bought this mic for 16,000 naira. It might be more expensive somewhere else, it can be more cheaper, it depends on where you are buying from. So I don't regret buying this mic. The mic is very okay, it is very very okay for a start. Yes, it's a good mic, and it is something you can use even for a long distance. Like if you are not close to your phone, you are doing vlog. If I stand up from here now, move to that other side, you will still be hearing me, because they said 20 meters away the mic will still be working. So guys, try as much as possible not to misplace any part of the mic. If you misplace anyone, you are buying a new mic. So you cannot use somebody else's receiver for your mic. It doesn't work like that. Okay. So guys, that is all for this video. I hope you were able to get something from this video. I really hope so, guys. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, more videos will be coming, more videos. Trust me when I say more videos will be coming. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like this video and share.